Hi, I'm Elaine and welcome to my kitchen. I'm going to be cooking some pan-fried fish. And the fish I'm cooking, I don't know what kind it is. I just know it's an ocean fish. It was given to us. And all I can tell you on that is that it tastes good when it's cooked. Okay, to do the pan-fried fish, I'm going to do it like my mama did. My mama cooked her fish. She would put it in cornmeal, a little salt and pepper, put it in the skillet, and cook it. That's how I'm going to do it. Now, I do sometimes deep fry my fish, and I may do a video on deep fried fish for you. But today it's pan fried. Okay. Now, I started out with 12 fillets, but I cut them in half. Makes it easier for me to cook them. So I have a piece of fish about 2.5 inches long. And what I do is I put it in my meal. Sometimes I'll actually dip it in some egg and milk batter. But today I'm just doing a plain, simple cornmeal pan-fried fish. I've already got me some oil hot in the skillet. And put a few of these pieces in here. Now, to go with these pan-fried fish, I've got some French fries, and coleslaw, and hush puppies. And I've got videos for that. And I'll tell you now, it doesn't take long at all to fry fish. It's probably one of the quickest proteins that you can actually cook. You get it going and you have a piece of fish done in less than 7 minutes. And it cooks that quickly. And looks like I got room in there for one more piece. I'm going to put my splatter screen on top of that, and I'll let you know when it's ready to be turned. Okay, I think it's about ready to be turned over now. Let me move that screen out of the way. Oh yeah. Well, if I could keep that fish on that spatula, I'd be doing good. When you're cooking fish, you don't really need a lot of oil. I don't have a great amount. I've got some oil in there to fry it with. And another trick I've learned about fish is you only have to turn it one time. Make sure it's done on the first side, flip it, and then about a minute or two later, it'll be done. And you can take it up. As long as it's lightly golden brown on both sides, you're doing good. And as small as these pieces are, they should be ready to come up now.
Pig gonna eat some swim.
I think the half guinea pig will be ready to eat here in a little bit. That cooked just a touch more. Those pieces were a little bit thicker. I'll give you another tip to cooking fish. If you deep fry it, you want to make sure that it's one of the last things you deep fry, especially if you're cooking French fries or hush puppies or anything else before it, because the fish will definitely flavor the oil you have in there. And if you're cooking something other than fish, or with the fish, like shrimp or any other seafood, make sure you cook your fish before the shrimp or the other seafood, because the stronger the flavor of the item, the more it's going to flavor your oil. And believe me, I've had quite a few dinners where people have cooked for us, and even when we've gone out to eat, you can definitely tell that French fries and hush puppies have been cooked in the fish grease. So that's just a little tip for you. And I'll be back when these are ready to turn and take up. Hey, I'm back. This is ready to turn. Or flip, or whatever you want to call it. And if y'all haven't noticed already, I'm a very hands-on cook. I use my hands pretty much as I use anything else. But that goes back to the way I was taught how to cook. My mama was a hands-on cook. My granny was an innovative cook. I'll put it that way. She was hands-on and used her hands for a lot of stuff. But she was more of an innovative cook. And I hope I kind of got that from her. And these will be ready to come up here in just a moment. As you can tell, it doesn't take long at all to fry fish. Basically set them at a medium heat and about 3-4 minutes per side. Doesn't take long at all. Okay, these are ready to come up too. I don't know about all of y'all, but I have a certain spot on my little stove, or stove top I should say. It cooks hotter on one side than it does on the other. So I have to move my food around, keep it from burning on the one side, and make sure it gets done and cook it on the other. And I have one more little batch of fish to go. As I said, there was 12 fillets in that packet that was given to us. And I cut them in half. So we wound up with 24 pieces of fish. So that gives me, I guess, 3 batches of 8. Roughly thereabout. Those in there. Okay. Got these going. And I'll be back when these are ready. Okay, I'm back and ready to turn these over. again, the batter on this, or the breading, is just a very simple cornmeal with salt and pepper. Just you take and bread the fish, put them in the oil, fried. But like I said, you can use an egg or milk dip and then flour, then meal, or you can use a batter and deep fry. And I will probably show how to do all that in different videos at this time. I'm fixing to try one of these fish right here. This is one that's been sitting for a minute cooling. That is so good. You can actually taste the fish, and not just oil and not breading, and you can actually taste the fish.
Delicious swim.
These are almost done. I'm going to take them up and put them on the pan here. I'm going to go ahead and thank y'all for watching. And ask that if you would, please subscribe, like, and share the video. Leave a comment or a question if you have one. I also ask you to please click on the little bell icon, and that way you can be notified when I upload a new video. So y'all have a great day, and bye y'all.
Where's my pork?
Bye, y'all.
Where's my pork?